So yesterday we looked at the Satechi 2-in-1 kind of iPhone, right? The iPhone stand for the iPhone. They say 12 through whatever's current, but really anything that's kind of MagSafe compatible should be able to handle this, or if you put one of those rings on it. Nice fold friendly, and of course this is the 2-in-1. Go watch the video. That's all I'm gonna say. Just go watch the video. That's just easier for both of us. Anyways, this is their 3-in-1. So travel friendly, 3-in-1. Now the big difference between this one and the 2-in-1 is one more, 3, which allows you to charge your Apple Watch, right? Apple Watch right there. Now price wise though, just realize again, the Satechi gear, Satechi, I'm not 100% sure how you pronounce it, not inexpensive. So if you look, I'm just gonna have it up on the screen over here just so you guys can know. 3-in-1, $176 Canadian. Yeah, so just be aware, not inexpensive by any means. $176. Basically, Qi2, which is good because it's got the faster wireless charging, 15 watts for your phone. And then it does say it can charge. It's funny because it says Apple Watch Series 8 through the Ultra, but really this is a 4, so it's going to charge. It's the same charger through all of them. AirPod Pros 3 and 2, and I believe the additional chargers. So again, 15 watts for your phone charger, and I believe 5 watts for the other 2 chargers. So iPhone 15 watt, AirPods and Apple Watch at 5 watts. Yeah, so travel friendly, wide compatibility. Do what you do. Anyways, this is it here. We'll just crack open the box and you guys can take a gander. My guess is pretty much going to look different. The box is wider, so just kind of be aware of that. Which, I'm like, all right. It doesn't, I don't think it comes kind of in a folded mode. Anyways, it's a nice like recyclable box. I don't know if it actually is recycled box, but it has that look to it. And inside here, again, you're gonna get your manual. The manual is actually really nice. It's a nice manual. Not that you need that fancy a manual in regards to a charger. You plug it in, you put your stuff on it, and you're good to go. There's the actual charger. This one has the same USB-C cable, so it's a nice length for sure. But this one, the other one didn't have any of this actually. So when you pay a little bit more, you get a bit more. This one actually has a wall charger. The other one, no wall charger. So this one, wall charger, so you don't have to supply your own. So that's kind of nice. And it comes with the different kind of adapters. So depending where you are in the world, you can use this. My guess is 20 watts because it can't provide any more than 20 watts to the device. So my guess would be that's what this is. And I can't read that. Can you guys read that? If you can read it, then put a comment below and let people know what you can read. But negative, can't read it. Anyways, we'll put those stuff back in there. I do like that it comes with the charger. Anyways, we'll figure that stuff out after. Nobody cares. And just like yesterday's, the 2-in-1, exact same, really, except when you take this out, right? Again, there's going to be your inset for your AirPods right there. This is going to be for your phone, so fully tiltable. And what I liked about, and I talked about this yesterday, is that you can, it goes completely vertical, right? So you can have it, well, horizontal, I guess, or completely 90 degrees. So that's kind of nice. And then on the back here, you have your, just a flip out for your Apple Watch, right? So, yeah, I have a 4th gen. I don't know why they don't say all the other ones. You know, I get the iPhone, but you know, that's not going to be any different. That fits there just fine. That's going to charge just dandy. It's a charger, right? It's a charger. Now, it's a nice charger. Don't think it's not a nice charger, because it is. Build quality is really good. The hinges on it are really good. This is going to be a charger that's going to last you a fair bit of time, if not, you know, maybe even forever. Who knows? This does all 3 of your Apple products if you're an Apple user. And last but not least, it is using Qi2, so it's got the newest technology in regards to wireless charging. So it's going to charge your devices as fast as they can, especially if you are running one of the more modern iPhones that has that ability to utilize those speeds. But you're paying for it, right? $176, $177 Canadian. It's getting 4.5 stars, but gotta be willing to pay the price, right? Pay the price, pay the piper, as they say. All right, guys, I will put links down below if you guys want to look at either one of the Satechi 2-in-1 or the 3-in-1. And I'm going to leave you there. All right, guys, I'm out. We'll see you guys next video. Later.